Okay, so this is time travel. So let's go back. Whoa, 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 whoa. 2022. That's good. What day? Today. I don't know. What's the day? Let's see. Today is the 26th. Friday. That's good. That was the day that I was on. Okay. Pop quiz. Gotta be kidding me. Wait, I wonder if I... Okay, it's time for lunch. Let's go. This is helpful. I need my next skit tomorrow, so I guess I'm gonna have to get rid of it.